You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Spanish dog breed, as well as how to say more dog breed names that too many people get confused by, so stay tuned. In Spanish, for reference, it's said as Presa Canario, so in English it's often pronounced as Presa or Presa Canario. From Spanish, Presa Canario, so really you want to say it as Presa Canario, because it's from the Canary Islands. Presa Canario. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.